In this video you'll discover exactly how to find cheap auto insurance in Georgia. But first, here's our little trick to get you cheap car insurance. We use this free service. At 1-855-981-7528. Once you call them, they'll perform the tedious task of shopping around and provide you with the best quote for your location. Now, we've got a topic that hits home for many of us: finding cheap auto insurance right here in the beautiful state of Georgia. Whether you're a longtime resident or a newcomer, we've got some valuable tips and tricks to help you save big on your car insurance. So, buckle up and let's dive into the world of affordable auto insurance in Georgia. Segment 1: Understanding the factors. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, it's crucial to understand the factors that influence your insurance premiums. These include your driving record, the type of car you own, your age, location, and even your credit score. Being aware of these factors can help you make informed decisions when seeking out the best rates. Segment 2: Comparing quotes. Alright, let's get practical. One of the most effective ways to find affordable auto insurance in Georgia is by comparing quotes from multiple insurers. Thanks to the internet, this process has become incredibly easy. Visit online comparison websites or directly reach out to insurance companies to get personalized quotes. Remember, different insurers offer different discounts and rates, so be sure to cast a wide net. Segment 3: Bundling and discounts. Did you know that many insurance companies offer discounts if you bundle your auto insurance with other policies, like home or renter's insurance? Plus, there are various discounts available based on factors like safe driving, being a student, or even having anti-theft devices installed in your car. Don't be shy to ask about these potential discounts; they could lead to significant savings. Segment 4: Maintain a good driving record. Now, let's talk about a game changer: maintaining a clean driving record. Avoiding accidents and traffic violations not only keeps you safe on the road, but it also demonstrates responsibility to insurance companies. A clean record often translates to lower premiums. So, stay vigilant and obey traffic laws. Segment 5: Opt for higher deductibles. Another strategy to consider is opting for higher deductibles. Your deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in. While this means you'll pay more in case of an accident, it can significantly lower your monthly premiums. Just make sure you have the funds available in case you need to make a claim. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks, your guide to finding cheap auto insurance right here in Georgia. Remember, it's all about understanding the factors that affect your rates, comparing quotes, seeking out discounts, maintaining a clean driving record, and making smart decisions about deductibles. By putting these tips into action, you'll be well on your way to enjoying affordable coverage without compromising on quality. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.